Okay, hello guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. So, as explained previously, every Tuesday and Thursday is going to be for beginner live trading session. So, guys, I'm going to continue from where we stop our beginner live session on Tuesday. So, and congratulations to everyone that took the CPI trade yesterday. We made massive profit. Okay. So if you were opportune to take the trade, congratulations to you. So that's just a snippet of what we do in our premium group. All right. So what I'll advise is if you haven't joined my premium group, please make sure to deposit. All right. Fund your account, join the premium group, come and get good signals. All right. So without further ado, let's see what we can do today. So on Tuesday, I make basic explanation on how to become a profitable forex trader, where to start from, and I also give explanations on support and resistance. And I even showed how the support and the resistance zones are drawn. All right. So today, what we're going to be doing is a continuation of that. Okay. So this is the trade I took yesterday. I knew the market was going to reject from this zone. All right. So you see the market came here and went up immediately. Okay. The market went up immediately. So guys, this is core support and resistance. All right. So if you are able to get, I promise you, you become a profitable forex trader. All right. So this morning, we're going to continue from where we stopped. We're going to continue. So we're going to continue from where we stopped last week. Um, okay, just a second. All right. So we are learning doesn't mean that we shouldn't look for opportunity to make money. Yeah. So I saw something that looks like a good entry here, and I wanted to send it to my members. All right. I wanted to send it out, but the opportunity hasn't really met the way I want it. So I'm going to hold on a bit until it does, get to where I want it to get to. So just a second, guys. So sorry. Okay, just a second. Okay, so kind of look like a good entry, but I'm not going to place an order on this. All right. So, guys, let's continue. Let's continue with our lesson. All right. So today, I'm gonna, show you guys how to interpret signals. Okay. So we're just gonna make recap of what we did on Tuesday. All right. So as I was saying, I'm gonna show you guys how to interpret signals, so you know how signals are interpreted. All right. So how we are gonna do this is, uh, I'm gonna give out a signal here, and the signal is going to be, how it is posted in the group. All right. How the signals are being posted in the group. So I'm going to show you how to interpret the signals. What you need to know, the kind of signals, that is being given out, and things you need to look out for when you are placing the signal. All right. All right. So this is how signals looks like. Let me quickly look for a signal that have been posted before. All right. So let me quickly look out for a signal. Okay, let me send the signal there. Okay, guys. Uh, Pardon me for just a second. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. So let's continue. Yeah. So as promised, I'm going to be showing how to interpret signals. Okay. How to properly interpret signal. Uh, so when next you see a signal, you know exactly what to do with it. All right. So to interpret a signal, you first need to understand. Sorry about that again, guys. All right. So I want to quickly copy out a signal, okay, to show you how signals looks like, to tell you the kind of signals we have. All right. Okay, Mr. East Noni, good morning. You said you want to make a deposit now. Yeah, it's fine. Please go ahead. Okay, just click on the banner. Click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. When you click on it, you'll be directed to the deposit page. Okay. So once you get to the deposit page, just deposit. If you deposit $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session with me. Okay. So yes, please go ahead and deposit. It's very important. All right. All right. So as I was saying, now let me copy out the kind of signals we have here. Okay. So I'm just going to share the template. Okay, I'm just going to share the template. And then we can edit afterwards. So we have so this is how our signal looks like. This is how the BtcDana signal looks like. Okay. Yeah, I'm sure you've seen this uh, many times. Okay. So now you see the subject of this signal here is an intraday trade. So what this simply means is this signal is expected to run within a day. Okay, within a day means within 24 hours. All right. So All right. So, um, as I was saying earlier, so this is it. Okay. This is how a signal looks like. And if we are to interpret this right now, you can see here we have intraday trade. So what intraday simply means is that this trade is going to run for the within the day, okay? Between now till 24 hours. All right. So let's say inside the 24 hours period is when we expect this trade to run. All right. So if we take a trade right now, and if we open a trade right now, so if we open a trade right now, and even if we close it in 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, till 23 hours, is still an intraday trade. Okay, as far as it doesn't go above the 24-hour period. So now this is for intraday trade. Then we have scalping trades. Okay, so scalping trades are trades that is expected to run for a few minutes, just for a short while. Okay, a short trade. So if we take a trade right now and we close the trade within 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes, 45 to 59 minutes, it is a scalping trade. Okay, it is not an intraday trade. All right. So when it gets to 1 hour, that's then it becomes an intraday trade. Okay. Then we have a swing trade. So swing trade is, when you hold trade for long. So let's say you hold trade for more than 24 hours, then the trade becomes a swing trade. You are swing trading, okay? Because the market is going to run for days, okay? It's now more than 24 hours. So it is now for days. Then the trade becomes a swing trade, all right? So that's just it, guys. I hope you understand the difference between intraday, scalping trade, and swing trade. Now, if you are taking a trade, if a trade is a scalping trade, and then let's say the trade was dropped around around 10 a.m., and you are seeing the trade around 10, maybe 15 minutes past 10, it is better you leave the trade to run, or you can go to the admin that dropped the signal and confirm from them if it's still a good signal to to open position on. All right. So you need to confirm from them if it's still a good signal to open position on. All right. But if you are not sure, but you saw the time and the gap, is capping trade, and there's about 15 minutes interval to when it was dropped to when you saw the trade. It is better you just leave such trade. Okay. All right. I see somebody is saying, "Good morning." Okay. Yeah. I remember you from our last class. All right. What is USDT? USDT simply means United States Theta. Okay. So it's an abbreviation for United States Theta. All right. That's a crypto instrument. Yeah. All right. So let's continue with ours here. Let's continue with our discussion. All right. So as I was saying, I just talked about intraday and scalping the type of signals we have. Now to interpret this signal, yes, and I was talking about the time interval. Okay, so now if it's an intraday trade, maybe you got an intraday trade after you saw the trade 15 minutes after it was dropped. Yes, the trade is still valid. You can still enter the trade. Okay, you can still open position for such trade. All right, you can still open position on such trade. So now, so for swing trading, well, I don't think I don't think any analyst has ever dropped any swing trade. I don't think any analyst has ever dropped any intraday trade. Sorry, a swing trade on the general group. So, but for swing trade, since it's a trade that you can hold for a very long time, you can actually open the trade within, let's say you saw it, the such trade maybe was definitely maybe gotten from the 4 hour time frame. So as far as the 4 hour candle is still open, you can still open such trade. All right, 1 hour, 2 hour after the trade was dropped, you can still open position. Okay, so guys, that is it for the type of trade and the time interval when you should enter for a signal. Now, let's interpret the signal. So the signal right here is a sell signal on GBP CAD. What you are expected to do here is open your BtcDana app. Well, unfortunately, I can't show you my chart right now because I don't have the tools, to bring my app here live. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to explain, okay? And what I would suggest you do is you can go to your chart, you can go to your BtcDana app and follow the procedure, the process, okay? So, all right, let's continue. So now, the signal is GBP CAD. Okay, the signal is GBP CAD. And what are we supposed to do on GBP CAD? As you can see here, you see signal GBP CAD. So this is telling you to go to GBP CAD. Okay. Yes, Oluomo. Yes. The video is on YouTube, and you can always rewatch it. Okay. So I'm going to share the video here. I'm going to share the link here. You can go to watch it if you want later. All right. What does the last support mean? Okay. Yes. We talked about last support on Tuesday, about support and resistance on Tuesday. But don't what I have here, then I can go back to explain support. All right. So just pay attention to what we are doing here right now. Okay. There are a lot of people watching that want to know how to interpret signals. All right. And guys, please, to join my premium group, do not forget to click on the deposit with benefit. Okay. Anytime you want to make deposit, come to deposit with benefit here on our live stream. Okay. Just click on the deposit with benefit. See, you are not losing anything here. Okay. You are not losing anything. Come and join my premium group. If you click on the deposit with benefit banner, it will take you to the deposit page. Now, if you deposit into your trading account, okay, yeah, please note, you are depositing into your trading account. You are not sending the money to anybody. Okay, if you click on the banner right now, it will take you to the deposit page. If you deposit $10 into your account, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 2 weeks. Okay, if you deposit up to $15, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live reading session with me. Okay, so you see, it's as if you are not losing anything and you are gaining. Okay, so instead of you funding normal, I will advise you fund on my live stream, please. All right, it's very important. If you fund that, this is the only way you can even encourage me to continue doing this. All right. So I'm very sure I'm adding value to your trading journey. All right. So I'm adding value to it. The only way that you can repay me back is by funding on this live stream. So please click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. It will take you to the deposit page. Okay. All right. So let's continue. If you have any question regarding the information I've just given out, the deposit with benefit, you can please ask. All right. Just use the comment section. I'm seeing all your comments, and I'll definitely attend to it. Okay. All right. So now, as I was saying earlier, the signal is GBP CAD. And what are we supposed to do on GBP CAD? We are to sell, right? Okay, you see it says sell now. And this is the price for you to sell from. See, when a signal says sell now, don't pay attention to this price, okay? So the reason why we have this price here is in case you saw the market late. So let's say you got the signal 15 minutes after it was dropped into the group. You saw the signal was dropped 10 a.m., but you saw the signal around 10:15. Okay. If you are an experienced trader or you have little knowledge of trading and you know your way around the chart, yeah, okay, to deposit on your real account, just click on the banner. Okay, I've already said that. Click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written up. Now, if you click on it, it will take you to the deposit page. Okay, if you deposit $10, $10 will get you into my premium group. Okay, you will become a premium member and you get free signals, free market analysis, and free market reports. Okay, yesterday we trade the CPI news event. Honestly, we made massive profit. We made massive profit. Okay. So guys, please come and join my premium group. I promise you, your trading will be different. Okay. Because the value you are going to get there is going to be very profitable. Yes. So if you want to make deposit, just click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. Okay. I believe you can see the banner. All right, okay, you can see the banner deposit with benefits. Okay, just click on it. You see it will take you to the deposit page. So now let's continue. The signal is a sell signal. It's saying sell now, and the reason why we have these numbers here is if you go to GBPCAD and okay, let's go to GBPCAD. This is a late signal. Okay, this was dropped yesterday. All right, this was dropped yesterday. Now let's go to, let me just copy everything here and go to GBP CAD. Okay, GBP CAD. Yes. Okay. So, so let me quickly enter it here. Yes. So we are currently on GBP CAD, and anytime a signal like this is dropped, the reason why we have these numbers here, as I've said, is because if you are an experienced trader, you can just come to your chart. Okay, if you have even if you're not an experienced trader, you see how I do it here, you can always do it on your own. So what I'm going to do here now is the sell entry is at this price point. Now I want to know if this market is still valid for me to enter. What I'm going to do here is, let me delete this. Let's delete this. Okay, it doesn't matter where you're doing, where you are on the device you are doing this. You can do it from your phone, you can do it from your system. Okay, so now I'm going to bring out my horizontal line. Okay, I'm going to place it here. You can place it anywhere. Okay, but I'm going to place it here because I want it to cross all the markets from when the signal was dropped. Okay, so let's say the signal was around when, let's say the signal was dropped. Okay, the signal was yesterday, which is on 15. And because this is 10 a.m. yesterday, 15, 10 a.m. So I'm going to put the arrow from here. If it is this morning, you can just put it here and see where the market currently is. Now I'm going to double click on this and it's going to give me a coordinate. Okay, this is coordinates. You can do this on your BtcDana app. Okay, just quite unfortunate that I can't show you my app right now, but trust me, you can do this. And maybe on our next session, if I'm able to bring up my chat, I'm going to show you how to do this properly. All right. So what you're going to do now is, you see this cell now, the price here. Okay, I'm going to enter the price, which is 1.7. 2173. Now, when I enter the price, this horizontal line, this my horizontal line, is going to jump to where this signal was picked from. All right, so now you see, this is where the signal was picked from. This is where it was saying sell now. Okay, this is where the market said sell now. But as you can see right now, the market has already gone above. So that means this order didn't play out well. Okay, which means the market went into loss. That is just the simple meaning. Okay, so now I'm able to tell that this is where the signal was given, and this is where the market is currently. So you see, and this is the 30 minutes time frame. The market has really gone way beyond our entry point. Okay, so this is an invalid market for me to trade. So guys, this is what you need to do as a forex trader or as somebody that depends on signal. So anytime a signal is given out, just make sure you use the price here to check if the signal is still accurate or not. If the signal is still accurate, you can decide to take the trade. If not, just leave the trade and then look for another entry opportunity. Okay. All right. So now I've talked about the sell now and the price. The other thing is the TP1 and the TP2. Most of you get confused over TPs. Okay. So TP1 and TP2 is a choice. All right. TP1 and TP2 is a choice. All right. So when you have TP1 and TP2, it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean that you should open TP1 and open TP2 at the same time. What this is simply saying is you have an option of either using the TP1 or using the TP2. It just depends on the one you are comfortable with. If it is TP1 you like best, use TP1. If it is TP2 you like best, use TP2. Now the difference is the gap. Okay, the amount you are going to make. Okay, the risk to reward ratio rather. Let me use the word risk to reward ratio. I mean, come on, we are in forex class here, so we should be using forex terms. Okay, so the risk to reward ratio. Now, what is a risk to reward ratio? Risk to reward ratio is the amount you are risking and the amount you are going to make. So, take for example, let's say right now I want to risk $10 on a trade. If my risk to reward ratio is 3 to 1, it simply means that the 10 I'm risking is the one. Okay. Now, the trade that I'm looking forward to make is my profit, which means I want to make 3 times of what I'm risking. So 3 times of $10 is what? Guys, that is $30. All right. That is just the simple definition of risk to reward ratio. Okay. If I'm risking $1 and my risk to reward ratio is 3 to 1, what does that mean? It means the one I'm risking is the $1 I want to risk. Now I'm looking forward to make 3 times of the $1, which means I want to make $30. Okay, guys, that is just the simple meaning. Okay, so now if you are using TP1, what I do is anytime I drop a signal, my TP1 is 1:1.5. Okay, which means that if you are risking $1, you are going to make $1.5. If your stop loss is going to be $1, you are going to be making $1.5 as a profit. And then my TP2 is 2.5 to 3. Okay, so what that simply means is if you are using TP2, if you are risking $1, you are going to be making $2.5 or $30. So the reason why I left it that way is because sometimes the market will come down. Okay, it will not get to take profit. Maybe get to your take profit too, and then it will reverse back. But if you have multiple positions open, at least you would have, gotten the first position before the market reversed and took you out of the second position. All right. So it is a good way of trading. All right. It's a practice that make your trading, uh, it make you trade in the professional way. Let me just put it that way. All right. So it's a good practice, guys. Anytime I want to open a position, If the lot size I want to use is 0.05, what I do is I divide my entry. So two out of the five, I'm going to use, instead of using a whole 0.05, I'm going to use 0.2, 0.2, 0.1. Sorry, 0.02, 0.02, and 0.01. You see, I still have five positions. Okay. But what I'm going to do is, for the first 0.2, I'll use my first TP. For the second 0.2, I'm going to use the second TP. And for the third 0.1, 0.01 rather, I'm going to use the first TP again. So now, when the market closes at my first TP, that means I have the 0.02 and 0.01 as profit. Even if the market later goes against me and didn't get to my second take profit, I'll still be in profit. Okay, yeah, the profit is going to be little because I lose the second TP. So guys, that is the scope. Okay, that is the scope that most people don't know. And then we have our stop loss. So stop loss is to protect you from a market that doesn't go your way. So look at this market right now. This is our entry point, but the market went up instead. If this market doesn't have a stop loss, the market will keep losing. Okay. So my stop loss was here actually, and the market took us out here. Okay. But if you don't have a stop loss on, the market will just continue to go up, and nobody want to lose that way. All right. So guys, let me quickly know. The time is already against us. I was having a bit of network issue earlier. That was why I was being cut off a bit. But please let me know if you have any question. Let me know before uh, we go offline. Okay, so somebody is saying, what is the full meaning of BDC? Guys, I already told you, if you have internal question, please make sure to chat their customer service. All right. I can only answer your question based on what we are doing here, which is trading. Okay. But I think I have an idea. BDC simply means uh, BTC Dana coin. Okay. BTC Dana coin. That is BDC. But please, next time, if you have any internal question, make sure to chat the customer service. All right. You only ask me question regarding trading, analysis, and how to join my premium group. Okay. My own session is how to make money. Okay. How to help all of us make money. I mean, the country no easy right now. Okay. But all of us need to make money. Yeah. So if you want to learn how to make money, I am your guy. If you want to get into my premium group, click on the banner where deposit with benefit is written on. You'll be redirected to the deposit page. Once you get there, fund your account with at least $10 and you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 2 weeks. Fund your account with $15, you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 1 month. Fund the account with $200 and you'll be qualified to join my premium group for 1 month, and then you also get a one-on-one exclusive session. All right. So, guys, I hope everyone understand and get the scope of everything that have been discussed here today. So that will be all for today. Okay, so somebody is asking, please, what is the minimum amount to start trade with? Okay, to join my premium group, the minimum to deposit is $10. All right. Yes, you can start trading with $10. But for a professional, if you want my professional advice, I'll advise that you deposit more than $10. Okay. You can start with at least 25 to $30. That way you'll be able to hold two positions, okay? Because the signals I drop in my premium group is more than one. Okay, I drop at least two signals per day. So for you to be able to take these two signals, you must have up to $20. If you have $10 and you take the first one, let's assume the first one go into loss. You'll be scared to open the second one. But if you have up to $20, you have the ground. You understand? So guys, that is my own professional advice. You can do whatever you want, okay? Well, professionally, I'll advise you fund at least 25 to $30. But if you fund $10, it's also very good. Okay, just practice, make sure you are practicing risk management. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. All right. So guys, that will be all for today. Um Okay, so there's no more question. I would like to round up from here. So, guys, see you on our next session. Enjoy the rest of your day, and bye for now.